6 feet. Did you not hear what they 6 feet? Please, sir, please. Yeah, you. That first month scared everybody. Don't act like you forgot. You better not sneeze that first month. You better not fucking sneeze in public. What? Everyone walked around like this when they had to sneeze. No. No. Why now? No. This is what everyone looked like under glass. No. No. Because if you sneeze, what happens? Super spreader.